Oh yeah. She's in. Alright. Good enough. Now then, I can do this. Hopefully that will. See if I can get that other brake bleeder broken loose. Freaking gravel. Alright. I think that one's loose. Oh yeah, it's loose. There we go. Alright, so I got the front two readers loose. Let's go look at the back here. Alright, so the rear bleeder screws are a different size. Imagine that. Let's see if I can get that in there. I doubt it. I just gotta get this bleeder broken loose on here. I think it's a 10. Yep. Alright, it's a 10. There we go. No brake fluid coming out, but it's loose. Alright, let me go get the other side. Let me get in there and get that one broken loose. Yeah, it's a 10. It's new. It looks new. Alright. Alright, so that's loose. Alright, so all the brake bleeders are loose. All the brake lines are connected. See what we got here. Oh yeah, dry as a bone. There we go. I pushed it like 3 times. I'm not seeing anything drop down. Alright, let me go look at these wheels. See if there's any fluid coming out of them. That one's got fluid. Alright, let me see if I got any fluid coming out of this one down here. I gave her 5 pumps. Can't hardly tell if it's coming out or not. Looks kind of still full. Come on, man. Yeah. All right, that one's leaking. That one's leaking. Yeah, I got fluid leaking now. You can see on the bottom down here. See by the tires? It's coming out of there. It's good. Good. That I need to see fluid come out of that tire, that bleeder. I'm starting to get a pretty good brake pedal. Ah, I see some coming out of it. Yeah. I need to see a bunch more though. Anything coming out of it? Yeah, looks like it to me. Is it coming out now? Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let me tighten it up. Get red. All right, that's tight. All right. Let's see here. Let's get some spitting out of this one. There we go. Loose. All right, spitting out of there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna tighten that one up. Where you at? Come on. All right, so that one's done. I've got fluid coming out of all four of them, so that's not a bleed. It's just a small purge. So that's the rear. Don't worry about overfilling it. It's fine. It's fine. All right, let me go pump these brakes a little bit. All right, I've got a brake pedal. That's probably good enough until I can bleed them later. Well, that pretty much covers the brakes. I don't see any leaks up here other than what I spilled out. No leaks down there. All right, so I got all the brake lines hooked up, connected. All right. I've got all the brake lines hooked up. I got a partial brake pedal. I mean, they need to be bled properly, but I just kind of hillbillied it just so I could have some pedal. And it didn't go to the floor, so that's a good thing. I don't see any leaks on this proportioning valve right down here. Let's see if I can show you where that right there, that proportioning valve. That's where everything hooks up to from your master cylinder. Goes down the front brake lines, and then the rear is the rear brake line. Doesn't appear to be leaking other than what I spilled already. So next project is I got to clean the inside of that transmission a little bit. I got to take the seal out of it. See if you can see it down there. Come on, man. There we go. There's the transmission there. I got to take the seal out and put a new seal in while I got it out, while I got the motor out. And then I'll put the, fill the torque converter up and put it in there. And then we'll start working on dropping this engine in. So, one thing at a time. Brakes are done. That was my project for today, getting the brakes done. Or, sewed up, basically. But yeah, I got a seal. I've got a seal puller and all that, but I gotta get in there and clean all that up. And then, yeah, that'll be another day. I'm tired. I've been working all day. But I appreciate y'all stopping in. Y'all have a good day. Bye now.